What's going on, guys? Cody here with CJ Build. Thanks for tuning back into the channel. And guys, I know we got a little bit of a taste of those Honda things last episode, being able to drive the car around, get back behind the wheel. But we still got a little bit of work to do, kind of clean it up, kind of make it more fijo. Like right now, the intercooler is not fixed onto the car. It's just zip tied right now, just for the test drive. We do have a new intercooler that Kevin with 6 Streets hooked it up with, that we're gonna be putting on. We just gotta make the mount. So today the goal is to get this intercooler on, hopefully be able to get the bumper on as well. That will be the goal. And also we have a slight coolant leak. Let me see if I can show you guys real quick. Let me see if it'll be still dripping on this hose here. It's ever so slightly dripping. I don't know if you guys can tell. So I'm gonna try putting another clamp, or if not, I'm just gonna have to buy another hose. It's a newer hose too, not too sure why it's dripping, but it's ever so slightly dripping from right there. I do want to do a little bit of cleanup. Oops, sorry. Hello. I do want to do a little bit of cleanup in the engine bay. I want to put the turbo blanket back on. I want to kind of reroute some wiring that I have for like the injectors and for the map sensor. So once you do that, the car is in way better shape. I'm done blabbering. Let's start. What should I start with first? Oh, you gotta be pissing on the floor. Oh, spam. So this is what we're thinking. Might change slightly, but this is probably how it's gonna look. It's gonna look way faster than it is at the moment, but it looks way better in the little itty bitty intercooler. Alright guys, so this is how the intercooler is looking. I think it's straight, as straight as it can be, because I'm not that good at this stuff. So now I just realized that this is a 3-inch, this is 2.5. But Treadstone Performance has hooked it up. We have a union coupler, 3 to 2.5, that we're gonna be throwing on. That way we can use this intercooler, and then we'll try putting the bumper on. Alright, ladies and gents, the intercooler is now officially on. It's mounted up with our homemade brackets. This thing ain't moving. Thanks to Treadstone for the couplers. We got everything routed up. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do a bit of engine cleanup, but actually first, see if we can get the bumper on. Guys, it's not completely on because I just forced it on there, but looks like it's gonna work. Looks like it's gonna fit. I just gotta put the grill on. I gotta put all the clips in and the screw on the other side. But guys, this is looking good. Thumbnail, chink, looking good. All right, I'm gonna get the bumper wrapped up. I'm gonna do some engine bay cleanup and then see if we take it for a little bit of a spin.
Way too long. My mom radar is off the hook right now. I don't know if I got that.
A lot of cars here. I don't know where to park. Get the car from FIE.
I don't know. Oh, I think it is. Oh, there seems to be a I'm so scared of being around all the Mopar, baby. They're the ones that act up the most.
Where you at? Where'd you park?
I'm over there.
Okay, I parked right here. So if anything will pull up to Wawa?
There or?
Let's go Wawa, we'll see.
Cool, man.
If it's chaos, then we'll go to...
Mira este bombón chaca por donde salió. Aquí vamos, aquí vamos. Come on, baby.
That no power steering.
Go ahead and say that. What was that?
No power steering light.
Well, that lasted all of 2 seconds.
Yeah, we were there really long. Alright, well that was a bust. The whole point was to be able to go to the meet after to drive the car, show some of the cars, but it got rated pretty much minutes after we got there, so we're gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. We're gonna be bringing more Honda content. I know next week we're going to another meet with a bunch of Hondas gonna be pulling up together, so got any questions, comment down below. Like the video, thumbs up, give a sub. We'll see you next week.